Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to increase FPS in Davinci Resolve. If you've been experiencing laggy playback or choppy editing, adjusting your frame rate settings can make a huge difference in how smoothly your project runs. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once it's loaded and you're in your project, look at the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Edit to switch to the editing workspace. This is where you'll be doing most of your timeline work and adjustments. Now, at the top left of your screen, click on Media Pool. This is the area where all your imported clips and project files are stored. Having this panel open will be essential for the next steps, as we'll be working with timelines directly from here. Next, right-click anywhere on your timeline at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, hover over Timelines and then select Timeline Settings. This opens up the configuration options for your current timeline, where you can control frame rates and other technical aspects. In the timeline settings window, you'll notice an option that says Use Project Settings. Make sure to uncheck this box. Unchecking this allows you to customize the timeline settings independently from the overall project defaults, giving you more control over frame rate adjustments. Once that's unchecked, look for the option labeled Timeline Frame Rate. You'll want to increase this value to improve your FPS. However, if this field appears grayed out and you can't adjust it, don't worry, just close the settings window for now. This happens because the current timeline is already in use, so we'll need to create a fresh timeline to apply the new frame rate. Go back to the media pool and click on any empty area within it. Now press Ctrl and N on your keyboard simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut opens the dialog to create a new timeline, which is exactly what we need to apply our frame rate changes properly. A new window will pop up asking you to input a name for your timeline. Give it any name you like, something that helps you remember it's your higher FPS timeline. Just like before, make sure to uncheck Use Project Settings so you can manually adjust the frame rate. Now click on the Format tab within the same window. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see that the timeline frame rate option is fully accessible and not grayed out anymore. Go ahead and increase it to your desired frame rate, whether that's 60 FPS, 120 FPS, or whatever suits your project needs. Once you've set it, click Create to finalize your new timeline. Now that your new timeline is created with the correct frame rate, it's time to transfer your footage. Simply select all the clips from your original Timeline 1 and drag them over to Timeline 2. This ensures that all your edits and clips now run at the new higher frame rate you just configured. Next, head to the top menu bar and click on File, then select Project Settings. This opens the overall project configuration, which affects playback and rendering across your entire project. In this window, locate the playback frame rate option. Adjust this to match your preferred frame rate, ensuring smooth playback throughout your editing process. Once you've made your selection, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully increased the FPS in Davinci Resolve, which should noticeably improve your editing experience and playback smoothness. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.